This is a trick called the folding money mystery. Yes, I have some money here, and I'm going to fold it up. I'm going to place it into these pieces of paper. So I place it down into the middle of this pink paper, and I fold the pieces in again and again. Then I fold it like this, like this, like this, and like this. And I fold it like this, and like this, and this, and this. I fold it like this, and this, and this, and this. And that's when the magic happens. Just like that. I snap my fingers, and look what happens. I open it up, and now that money, that dollar bill, has increased. And it is now, oh, I must have folded it the wrong way. Oh no, I didn't do that right. Here, let's put it back. Maybe it'll change back again. Let's see, like this, like that, and like that. Like that, and then fold it that way, and then that way, and then that way, and that way, and that way, and then that way, and then that way. And then I snap my fingers, and when I unfold it, hopefully it will have changed back if I fold it the right way. Oh, it did. It's back to normal. Wow. That's the folding money mystery.